What if I told you that the same technology decoding the secrets of your DNA, powering life-saving cancer treatments, personalized medicine, and pandemic tracking, could also be the next frontier for cyber attacks? What if I told you that the very technology decoding your DNA could be hacked? That your genetic code, more personal than your fingerprint, could be stolen, altered, or used against you? Imagine a hacker stealing not your bank info, not your social security number, but your very genetic code. Welcome to the age of genomic medicine. Thanks to next-generation sequencing, or NGS, we can now decode an entire human genome in just hours, something that once took years and billions of dollars. Thanks to next-generation sequencing, this powers tailor-made cancer treatments, pandemic response, and even gene-based therapies. Used in cancer treatment, tracking pandemics, building personalized drugs. Hospitals use it to find mutations driving cancer. Researchers use it to trace deadly viruses like COVID-19. And drug companies use it to design tailor-made therapies, built just for you. But behind this incredible leap forward lies a chilling vulnerability, a growing threat, one that could redefine the meaning of a data breach. Every point in the DNA pipeline, collection, storage, analysis, is a potential entry point for hackers. DNA is the most personal data you have. Hackers want it, and they might already have it. Your DNA is the most personal data you have. It's immutable. If it gets stolen, you can't change it like a password. And the implications go way beyond privacy. Think about it. DNA sequences stored in vast databases, transmitted over cloud networks, analyzed by third-party software. Each step, a potential point of attack. In 2017, researchers proved you could hack a computer with synthetic DNA. Scientists encoded malware into synthetic DNA. When sequenced, it hijacked the computer analyzing it. No phishing, no clicking, just DNA. With next-generation DNA sequencing, the same technology which is empowering the development of tailor-made medicines, cancer diagnostics, infectious disease tracking, and gene research, it's concluded that this technology would become a prime target for hackers. Hackers could manipulate data to alter diagnoses, frame someone by planting synthetic DNA at crime scenes, or even exploit genetic weaknesses for targeted bioespionage. DNA is the ultimate identifier. It reveals ancestry, disease risk, behavioral traits, even family ties. In the wrong hands, it becomes a tool for surveillance, manipulation, and bio-targeting. This isn't science fiction. Governments, corporations, criminals. DNA is the new oil. In 2017, researchers proved they could encode malicious code into synthetic DNA. And when sequenced by a computer, it gave them control. Let me repeat that. They hacked a computer using DNA. Your doctor might read your genome to treat cancer, but a hacker might read it first. And yet, genomic companies, often startups, don't have the same cybersecurity standards as banks or governments. Many still transmit raw genetic data via email. A new discipline is emerging: genomic cybersecurity. Scientists are building encryption pipelines, secure cloud protocols, and AI monitors to detect genetic tampering. A study published in IEEE Access highlights growing concerns over how this powerful sequencing tool, if left unsecured, could be exploited for data breaches, privacy violations, and even future biothreats. Led by Dr. Nasreen Anjum from the University of Portsmouth School of Computing, it is the first comprehensive research study of cyber-biosecurity threats across the entire NGS workflow. NGS is a cornerstone of modern biotechnology, enabling rapid and cost-effective DNA and RNA sequencing that supports important advances in cancer research, drug development, agricultural innovation, and forensic science. The sequencing process within NGS workflow involves a series of complex, interdependent steps, from sample preparation and sequencing to data analysis and interpretation, each involving highly specialized instruments, technologies, software, and connected systems. While the steps are essential for generating accurate results, they also open up multiple points of vulnerability. As many DNA datasets are openly accessible online, the study warns it is possible for cybercriminals to misuse the information for surveillance, manipulation, or malicious experimentation. So who's after your DNA? Governments seeking to build genomic databases, corporations hungry for profit, hacktivists, criminals. In the wrong hands, your DNA can reveal not just your identity, but your family ties, ancestry, disease risk, even your psychological traits. We've entered a world where digital and biological data are merging. The stakes? Existential. Your doctor could be reading your genome to save your life, while a hacker, on the other side of the world, reads it too. The next cyber war might be written in genetic code. Biotech is the new battlefield. So what do? A new field is emerging, genomic cybersecurity. Think firewalls for your DNA, encrypted pipelines, AI systems watching for anomalies in sequence data. We need a complete rethinking of data ethics, regulation, and technical design, because if we don't act now, it may be too late. In the coming years, your doctor might be reading your genome to decide your cancer treatment, while a hacker in another country is trying to read it too. As biotech and cybersecurity collide, the question isn't just what can we do with DNA. It's who controls it, and who's protecting it. This is a wake-up call. Protecting genomic data isn't just about encryption. It's about anticipating attacks that don't yet exist. We need a paradigm shift in how we secure the future of precision medicine. Genomic data is one of the most personal forms of data we have. If compromised, the consequences go far beyond a typical data breach. Researchers identified new and emerging methods that hackers and those with malicious intent could use to exploit or attack systems, such as synthetic DNA-encoded malware, AI-driven manipulation of genome data, and identity tracing through re-identification techniques. These threats go beyond typical data breaches, posing risks to individual privacy, scientific integrity, and national security. Despite its importance, cyber-biosecurity remains one of the most neglected and poorly understood research disciplines and is leaving a critical gap in global biosecurity. To make sure our DNA information stays safe and is used only for good, we're urging more research and collaboration to find ways to keep this powerful technology secure. Governments, regulatory bodies, funding agencies, and academic institutions must prioritize this field and invest in dedicated research, education, and policy development before it's too late. Without coordinated action, genomic data could be exploited for surveillance, discrimination, or even bioterrorism. Current protections are fragmented, and vital collaboration between disciplines is lacking. Key to successful prevention will be interdisciplinary cooperation between computer scientists, bioinformaticians, biotechnologists, and security professionals, groups that rarely work together but must align. The next great cyber war might be written in code. Genetic code. If this shocked you, good. It should. If this video opened your eyes, hit like, subscribe, and tell us, would you trust your DNA with the cloud?